Namaste. My name is Yogi Aaron and I welcome you. I am offering this rare opportunity to work with me. A program to help you not only dive into an enriching yoga practice, but to give you the space to discover and become the best version of yourself. This is a 200-hour certified Yoga Alliance teacher training that is specifically designed to empower you to manifest your life's purpose. If you want to become a transformational yoga teacher who will positively affect the lives of others, then this teacher training is right for you. This teacher training will give you a deep understanding of your body, the yoga postures, and how to create transformational yoga classes to help others align with their heart's calling. Join me for this adventure of not only discovering, but unleashing your highest potential. Become a yoga teacher. Become an agent of change.